Assalamu alaikum class 5. How are you? I hope all of you are good. Take out your science book. Open page number 127, unit number 14, the solar system. Students, in our last lessons, we have learned about the sun, then we learned about the stars and planets. After that, we learned about the satellites, artificial and natural satellites. Today, we are going to learn about the solar system. On the last page, page number 128, you have checked the picture that was of the solar system. Today, we are going to learn about it. There are total 8 planets into the solar system. Have a look in details. The solar system, sun is the biggest. The sun is much bigger than the planets. It has a diameter of 1392000 kilometer, that is 13,92,000 kilometer. Compare this to the diameter of the planets. The sun is equal to volume to a million Earth. They are saying that sun is much bigger. Its diameter is 13 lakhs to 92,000 kilometer. And if we compare size of the sun with the Earth, 1 million Earths will become equal to the one sun. कि 1 million 1 million मीन 10 lakh Earths अगर हम मिलाते हैं then it will become one sun. तब इसका size एक sun के equal आएगा. The moon is a bit more than 1/4 of the size of the earth. And if we check the size of the moon, अगर हम moon का size compare करें तो ये earth की निस्बत earth से 1/4 छोटा है. The planets are at different distances from the sun. This table, students, planets are at different distances, and we will compare all the planets with each other. Have a look on, do you know, the pull of the sun's gravity is so strong that it keeps all the planets orbiting around it. They never move away from their paths. कि सन की जो ग्रेविटी है वो इतनी ज़्यादा है कि वो सारे प्लैनेट्स को अपने इर्द गिर्द ऑर्बिट करवाती है और हर प्लैनेट अपने ख़ास ऑर्बिट ख़ास पाथ में हर टाइम रिवॉल्व कर रहा है सन के इर्द गिर्द. This is the picture that is showing comparative size of the sun, Jupiter and Earth. You can see sun is much bigger and size of diameter of the sun is 13,92,000 kilometer. And if we check the diameter of the Earth, that is 12,756 kilometer. And the Jupiter is 142,800 kilometer, mean ke 1,42,800 kilometer. Jupiter is the largest planet. There are total 8 planets in the solar system and Jupiter is the largest one. In this picture you can check the comparison of the Earth and the Moon. Earth और Moon के size का क्या difference है? Moon is 1/4 smaller than the Earth approximately. Check the size of the diameter of the Earth, that is 12,756 kilometer and Moon is 3,476 kilometer, and that becomes the Moon's diameter is 27% of the diameter of the Earth, means कि मून अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 1/4 है साइज में अर्थ की निस्बत. Now have a look at the table. It is much detailed table about the planets and their diameter, distance from the sun, then rotation, revolution and speed. First one is the Mercury. All of you know in the solar system, first planet that is nearest to the sun, that is Mercury. के sun के करीब तरीन जो first planet है that is Mercury. और Mercury का अगर हम size check करें, इसका diameter check करें, this is 4,878 किलोमीटर. इसका सन से डिस्टेंस मतलब सन से कितना दूर है, दिस इज 57.9 मिलियंस ऑफ किलोमीटर. और रोटेशन अगर हम देखें कि अपने ही गिर्द जो मरकरी रोटेट कर रहा है और ये रोटेशन कंप्लीट करता है 58.6 डेज में, और रेवोल्यूशन कंप्लीट करता है मतलब सन के गिर्द जो एक राउंड है वो कंप्लीट करता है 88 डेज में. और अगर हम इसकी स्पीड चेक करें मरकरी की तो दैट इज़ 48 किलोमीटर पर सेकेंड. द सेम we can check the Venus, that is its diameter is 12,106, distance from the sun 108.2, rotation 243 days, revolution in 225 days, then speed 35 km per second. Now check the earth का अब देखें तो earth का diameter है 12,756 किलोमीटर और इसका sun से distance है 149.6 that is millions of kilometer. रोटेशन अर्थ अपनी एक रोटेशन एक चक्कर अपने ही गिर्द कंप्लीट करता है 24 आवर्स में, और अर्थ जो है वो सन के गिर्द अपना एक राउंड कंप्लीट करता है 365.25 डेज में, और अर्थ की स्पीड है 30 किलोमीटर पर सेकेंड. In the same way, you will check the you can check the difference between the diameters, distance, rotation, revolution, and speed of different planets. Come to the next page, that is 130. Page number 130. Most of the planets take under a day to rotate on their axis. Only Mercury and Venus rotate at a much slower rate. करें कि मोस्टली प्लैनेट्स को हम देखें कि अपना एक रोटेशन वो कंप्लीट करते हैं 1 डे में या 1 से थोड़ा सा कम में, लेकिन मरकरी और वीनस स्लोएस्ट प्लैनेट्स हैं, और ये मरकरी और वीनस अपना रोटेशन कंप्लीट करते हैं 50. मरकरी कंप्लीट करता है 58 डेज़ में और वीनस करता है 243 डेज़ में. इसका मतलब है अगर रोटेशन की बात करें तो सबसे स्लो जो है दैट इज़ वीनस. वीनस सबसे स्लो है रोटेशन में. Venus takes more time to rotate on its axis than it takes to travel around the sun. Venus is the closest planet to Earth, और ये Venus जो है वो however its surface is too hot for living things to survive. अगर हम देखें तो अर्थ थर्ड नंबर पर प्लैनेट है और Venus is the second one. अर्थ के करीब 3 प्लैनेट जो है ना Venus है, लेकिन Venus is too much hot, इतना ज़्यादा गर्म है कि इसके ऊपर कोई भी लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म जिंदा नहीं रह सकता. The planets travel at different speed. Mercury and Venus takes days to travel once around the sun. Different planets की different speed है, हमने अब चेक की है लास्ट टेबल में कि different planets different speed के ऊपर मूव कर रहे हैं अपने orbits के अंदर. Neptune is much further away and has a wide orbit. It takes many years to orbit the sun. Neptune क्योंकि लास्ट planet है, 8th planet है, और ये सन से सबसे ज़्यादा दूर है, और ये अपना एक राउंड कंप्लीट करने के लिए many years लेता है. That is about different years it takes to revolve. Do you remember? The axis is the imaginary line on which the earth spins. It runs through the center of the earth from the north pole to the south pole. एक्सिस एक इमेजिनरी लाइन होती है जिसके गिर्द कोई भी प्लैनेट जो है ना वो रिवॉल्व अपने ही गिर्द रोटेट कर रहा होता है, स्पिनिंग कर रहा होता है, और ये नॉर्थ पोल से साउथ पोल की तरफ एक इमेजिनरी लाइन होती है, और इसी के सारे प्लैनेट्स या कोई भी स्टार्स हैं दे आर rotating like that. Students, now have a look at a video that will tell you about the different planets of the solar system.
Solar system. The 8 planets in their increasing order of distance from the Sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. They revolve around the Sun in definite orbits.
Okay, and hopefully you have understand the concept of solar system, as well you have understand the differences between these planets. Now what you have to do, we are done with our today's lesson. You have to revise all this lesson, and in the next lesson we will learn about the moon and asteroids. You have to revise this, and if you have any queries, any question, you can call at your branch and you can ask from me. Thank you. Bye.